Morning, happy weekend, happy Friday, it's weekend again. May the peace and love of God be with us all in unity. You see this is very hot already. It's only 7:30, but the sun is so hot. It's already, see? Enjoy your weekend, guys. As usual, I'm here in the balcony to have sunlight for a while before I continue what I'm doing. To have sunlight. It's a natural vitamin D. Good for the body, especially the bone, to boost immune system and the cardiovascular. See? The temperature very hot already.